Today on Tucker Time, I'm gonna make 2 different recipes of beach slime. My first recipe is from my favorite slime book. All you need is a bowl and something to mix with, measuring cups and spoons, contact solution, glue, baking soda, sand, and food coloring. First, you're gonna measure out a half a cup of glue. Now mix in a few drops of food coloring. Now you're going to measure out 10 tablespoons of sand and mix it into your slime. Up real good. Now it should be super thick and sandy.
Is it hard to stir?
Yeah, my arm hurts. I can't do it. After that's mixed, you're gonna mix your contact solution and baking soda. Measure out 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 4 tablespoons of contact solution. Mix those together until the baking soda is dissolved. Slowly pour in your solution a little at a time and mix it up. You might not need all of it depending on how you like your slime.
Is it still sticky?
Oh, it feels so good though.
It does?
Oh my gosh. Feel it.
I don't want to.
Oh.
Do you need more?
Oh, yeah.
Put your hands in there. I thought it was going to be interesting slime.
Interesting? It is
Ew.
interesting.
It is interesting.
Yeah. This recipe turned out rubbery and bouncy. It was really different with the texture of the sand. It was a lot of fun. Slime is a non-Newtonian fluid. When you apply a force, it acts like a solid. Without a force acting upon it, it acts more like a fluid. Some non-Newtonians actually act opposite of slime, like ketchup. When you smack a bottle of ketchup, it actually flows. Want to play catch? I'm a red. This one's perfect for doing fossil imprints.
That's cool.
This slime was really cool and I loved the texture. But unfortunately, it wasn't made to last because the next day I was disappointed to find that it was solid rubber.
Looks like a moon rock.
So let's try a Tucker Time slime instead. All you need is my basic slime recipe, and in this case for the mix-ins we use sand. Let's get started. Measure out a 1/4 cup of glue. Now add a 1/4 cup of water. Gently mix, and now add your sand. For this recipe, I used 5 tablespoons. Now you're gonna add your starch, but just add a little at a time. We're gonna make a sandy, slimy slime. That good?
A little bit more.
That good? Always add your slime activator a little at a time.
Gloopy. Okay, add a little more. Okay,
It wasn't ready just yet, so I added a little more. Slime slime. Slime. My video on beach slime today. Try them at home and tell me which one you like the best. This one's my favorite. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time. Don't go just yet. Stick around for the laughs. And remember, smash! I'm dying. Ah! It's in my hair! Help me!
Why would you do that? Oh. I'll get it. Hold on. Why?
This is like ground beef.
Ew, it is.
We're playing with ground beef. Make new discoveries and learn every day.